Hey, I have a second channel. Cube Compium TDX.
Hey everybody. So it wasn't that long ago that I posted that right there. Video about Facebook. Basically saying if you use Facebook, watch this video, secure your account. And that's because Facebook has a serious problem on its hands. So the thing is, with Facebook, if your account gets compromised, and the hacker changes your contact info and basically wipes out all the backup options to get into your account, it's like the support is non-existent. And I've seen this happen a few times with some of my friends. Matter of fact, I'm thinking about this pretty heavily tonight because here I'm on Facebook and I'm seeing one of my friends' accounts that just got hacked. They changed the name of the person and everything, and it boils my blood really to think about it, because the thing is, this hacker, I don't know how they got into my friend's account, but they got into it. They changed his email address, they changed his name, they changed his gender, they changed his backup phone number, they deleted all the previous used devices, pretty much everything you can think of that the rightful account owner could use to get back into their account. Everything's wiped out, and Facebook is like, it's like their support is non-existent. The problem is, like, if I was to visit the page and try to report it as a hacked account, they're like, tell your friend to go visit facebook.com/hacked, where they have pretty much non-existent support. And the thing is, and here's what kills me, guys. So, last Sunday I was trying to help him regain access to the account, because apparently the person that either the account got deactivated or Facebook put them under a 30-day suspension because, of course, well, they were posting pornographic images. So once I saw that back up, I was like, you know what, I ain't having this. And I texted him saying, let's see if there's a way we can try to get access to your account. The thing is, I looked at videos on YouTube, solutions from this year, and nothing worked. And what I found so ironic was, on one of the recovery options, I was able to locate the account, and there's an option to choose if you don't know the email address or the backup phone number, or don't know. It's just if you don't have access to those, because of course the hacker changed the email address, so you can't just send a password reset code to an email address you don't use. And the thing is, I find it so ironic. The account recovery thing said, sign into a device that you use to access the account. And if you click the option that says, I don't have this device or whatever, it says, for your security, we can't allow you back into your account. And I'm thinking to myself, for your security, we can't allow you back into your account because, yeah, it's like, what the irony is, like, you can't allow the person back into their account. Like, what the heck, Facebook? You've already failed miserably in that regard. I mean, the account has been compromised, and all the stuff has been changed. And why on God's green earth, with Facebook having all this AI to where it knows what you're posting and has this activity log, knows everything every single thing you post, everything you like, every comment you leave, things like that. How in the world can Facebook's intelligence not notice? Notice the activity of the person's name getting changed, the backup email getting changed, the phone number getting changed, trusted devices getting wiped out. I mean, how does Facebook allow that to slide without saying, hey, something ain't right here? Because this has happened multiple times with multiple friends of mine, and there was two instances where the rightful owner permanently lost access to the account. And guess what? With this second account here, this friend in particular, he actually administers a page for a not if it's a non-profit, but it's a big thing in this area. I'm not going to actually disclose the name of it here on this video, but that account was used to admin a Facebook page, and now, to my understanding, he no longer has access to that. So it's like, what the heck, Facebook? Really? Seriously? And that's why I always encourage anybody with a as a matter of fact, I think Facebook should require it. It's called 2FA or two-factor authentication. And I would actually suggest using a third-party authenticator like Duo to authenticate your logins. Because the thing is, when you have that set up, it's very difficult for people to compromise your account. It's much more difficult. But again, it's like, seriously, what is the deal with Facebook? When an account gets hacked, it's like the support is like non-existent. They like to cry, say, we don't have enough staff. I'm thinking to myself, you should try to get enough staff for your security division, because that's kind of a big deal. When the account gets hacked, it's not good. It's not good at all. It's not good for the account, or the rightful account owner, and it's not good for anybody who is friends with that account. It's not good. Not good at all. It's like Facebook's account recovery is among the lowest of the low. I should say, hacked account recovery is among the lowest of the low. So, I know this is kind of a random video, but just trying to vent my frustration a little bit, because it's something I've been thinking about here lately. Is, why is it that Facebook, the big kicker for this, like I mentioned, why on earth, with Facebook's advanced artificial intelligence, it knows everything you leave a comment on, it knows what website you visit, it knows all your posts, it knows everything you like or react to, it knows every friend request you send, it knows every friend request you receive, and I'll repeat it again, it knows and it tends to know every website you visit. When a hacker gets access to an account, and they change the username, they change the name on the account, they change the gender, they change the interested in gender, they change the backup email, they change the backup phone number, they wipe all the trusted devices off. They do this intentionally to wipe out every single option available for account recovery. Why does Facebook not immediately lock the account? As I say, why does Facebook not immediately lock the account and require like a driver's license or something? Now, of course, a hacker, if they really want to, I guess they could forge that information, but it's like, why does Facebook not? Why does their, they're good at flagging stuff and fact checking posts. Why can't they freaking flag a potentially hacked account and deactivate it and require like some sort of ID, like a driver's license or some other kind of identification from the rightful account owner to reopen the account and get the account back to the rightful person? Because Facebook, when you think about it, many people have had Facebook accounts for over a decade now, because Facebook's been around for over a decade. Some of my friends on Facebook are deceased, and their accounts are not memorialized. So it's not like, for the people who've been hacked and had to start a whole new account, it's kind of hard to get back into it's kind of hard for them to send a friend request to a dead person. I mean, there's so many things there. I mean, you have years of photos, years of videos. I mean, considering that Facebook has been around for so long now, it's like, why is it this easy for a hacker? I mean, to not only get into an account, I mean, getting into an account is one thing, but how on God's green earth can Facebook just allow the username, or excuse me, the display name to be changed, the gender be changed, the backup phone number, the email address, and again, all these things being changed at once. How does Facebook let that slide? How does that not get their attention? That's what I don't understand. It makes no sense to me at all. No sense at all. So if you have a Facebook account, I highly suggest that you use two-factor authentication. Lock that sucker down, because if it gets hacked, you're pretty much screwed. Because it's like I mentioned, several of my friends' accounts have been hijacked. 2 of them successfully hijacked to the point where the person never got access back to their account. So be careful, guys, out there on Facebook, because they're not really paying much attention to hacked accounts. they're really not. So anyways, hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.
Well, everybody, that wraps it up for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Computer Channel, and be sure to tick that bell so you'll get notified when new videos are posted. Also, don't forget, I have a whole lot of other interesting videos here on the channel to check out. And also, in addition, I have a second channel, CubeComp MTDX, where I have all sorts of other videos not exactly related to technology. Links to the channels are available at the end of this video. Again, I thank you for your support, and thanks for watching this video.